Are you planning to do a review about your latest video game, your favorite film, your brand new smartphone, or even the latest book you've just read? Stay put, because this video will show you how to do awesome reviews that immediately grab your audience's attention. First, let's clarify what a review is. A review is a short description of a product or service that presents your opinion about it. A review's goal is to inform your audience, either readers or viewers, about this product or service. A review can be verbal or written, formal or informal. Therefore, a review can be published in magazines, websites, blogs, or YouTube. First, you must grab the attention of your audience. Try to draw the audience's attention immediately, right from the start of your review. Grabbing people's attention is the key to maintaining and increasing the numbers of your audience. To do that, use a hook. A hook can be a statistic, a rhetorical question, a thought-provoking phrase, or an interesting fact. If you want to learn more about hooks that grab the audience's attention, visit the link on the screen. Next, continue by giving the audience some background information about the reviewed item. For instance, if you are reviewing a film, mention the film's name, director, and setting. If you are reviewing a video game, start by stating its genre and the studio that developed it. If you are reviewing a new smartphone, besides its name, you should also mention its brand and the phone's release date. Now that you have revealed all the basics, your audience is ready to dive deeper into your review. That means you have to provide more detailed knowledge about what you are reviewing. To do so, you have to explain what your judging criteria are. For example, let's suppose that you are reviewing a film. You might believe that a movie is successful when superb CGI effects are used, or the actors perform exceptionally. Thus, you need to mention your judging criteria to increase your review's validity. Next, state the main points of what you are reviewing, the positives and the negatives. What makes it stand out, and what needs improvement. You can even compare it to other similar products so the audience can have a reference point. Comparison can be a great way to develop your evaluation. Remember, if you are reviewing a product that contains a plot, such as a book, a movie, or a game, make sure not to spoil the whole story or the ending. Finally, it is time for a conclusion. Briefly restate what you liked and didn't like about what you reviewed. The most crucial part is to declare if you actually recommend the product to your audience. There is no reason to justify your opinion again, as this is something that you have already done. Remember, your review can be negative, positive, or mixed. Try to be as objective as possible. As long as you have provided your audience with the necessary details and evidence, be free to recommend or not. Being honest will boost your audience's trust, which is extremely important as people love objective reviewers. Therefore, if you gain people's trust, people will like you and eventually check your future reviews. I really hope that this video will help you start doing great reviews for the things that interest you. Always be unique and objective, as these two are the main elements of successful reviewing. I'd love to see your upcoming reviews in the comments down below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.